Welcome. If you want to change lock screen wallpaper in your Motorola Moto E7i Power, at first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to go for the display, click on the wallpaper, and you can pick Gallery Go wallpapers or the default wallpapers from your smartphone. We can pick, for example, the device wallpapers. Oh, it's only one, so we can go for our photos, and we can change, for example, for this one. So click to set wallpaper and then choose to set it up on the lock screen. Take a look right now. As you can see, our lock screen wallpaper has changed. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.